In this video, I'm going to show you how to get memetic specialization memory fragments in one's human. Now, if you know what those are, you will probably need a bunch of these, and the way to get them is actually not very straightforward. So, to obtain those specialization memory fragments, you will have to form different monoliths and silos. So, if we open up our map over here, the monoliths are these things over here in the map. So this one, for example, is the monolith of greed. Then we've got this one, which is the Gaia Cliff monolith, and then there's a bunch of others on the map. Now you will have to farm those and defeat those bosses to be able to get them. The second way to get them is by farming silos. Now, for example, here's a silo here, I marked on the map, it's the silo theta, and they drop different things. Now after you defeat the boss inside a silo or inside the monolith, you will have to select the option to use your controller for max gain for a chance to acquire one. Now if you don't succeed, don't worry, if you don't get them right away, you'll have to farm a lot of those silos and monoliths to be able to get them, to be able to get a lot of them actually. And then if you don't get them, don't worry, because you'll still get amazing loot from those while using the controller for max gain. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the only way inside one's human to get those, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.